Hello friends, welcome to Technique. Today I will be demonstrating the entry-level barcode scanner of Zebra Technologies, which is LS1203. As you must have seen the unboxing thing of the same product in my previous video, I have connected this via USB cable, one end with the scanner and other end is connected to the system's USB port. Now this is the trigger which you would be pressing and scanning. You can see the laser beam. If you want, you can see the laser beam over here on the table. You can see this. This is a good scanner at the entry level. This is meant for 1D scanning of the barcodes. Now I would be giving you some demonstration where I would be scanning the barcodes, 1D barcodes in front of you, so that you can get as how to scan the and what type of barcodes would be scanned through this one. Let's start. I have 1D barcodes with me. This is the one, the beam, and the speed you can see. You can see. Now here it is. You have to make your angle for scanning the barcodes. Let's take another barcode. Now I will be taking another one. So the scan engine is very quick, and you can see how fast I'm scanning this. If you want to scan 2D barcodes, no, this is not apt for you. This is not suitable for you. So for the entry level purpose, you can have this barcode scanner which is going to scan the 1D barcodes, that is of this kind of barcodes, the line ones, the vertical lines are made over here. If you want to scan the QR code or 2D barcode, that is something dot some that kind of barcodes, then you need to purchase some higher range of barcode scanner which is specifically designed for scanning the 2D barcodes. So this is all from this entry-level scanner, MOTOROLA LS1203 barcode scanner. You can see the Zebra mentioned over here, engraved over here, the logo of Zebra, and in this section it is written Zebra. So don't get confused if you find any of this scanner mentioning symbol or something like that, symbol or Motorola. So don't get confused, because the manufacturer is same, Zebra Technology. It comes with 3 years warranty from the manufacturer, and the price which you would find it in the market would range from around 3,000 to 3,500. Again, your quantity would be a main matter in this regard, because if you would be finding buying the good quantity, I mean higher quantity, then definitely you are going to get a good discount in your deal from the supplier, and for the ones or twos kind of buying, you would be having the higher price. Anyway, if you want to buy this scanner at a cheap rate, then you can visit cartkar.com, cartkar.com, which is also mentioned in the description. So visit there, you can place your order over there, and you can find this entry-level scanner over there. So that's it from Technique on LS1203 by Zebra. Goodbye.